It didn't come as a surprise when BSP chief Mayawati directed her 6 MLAs to vote against the Ashok Gehlot-led Congress government in Rajasthan, a government she had extended outside support to when it was formed less than 2 years ago, in case of a floor test. Although her ties with the Congress are on a downswing since the 2018 assembly elections in MP and Rajasthan, when the grand old party kept her waiting for a tie-up and eventually dumped BSP, of late she has almost broken ranks with the opposition to back the BJP-led central government on issues like standoff with China. At the same time, she is belligerent towards Congress, especially Rajasthan CM Gehlot, who she accuses of stealing her MLAs and has demanded the president's rule in Rajasthan. BSP has taken this decision after being cheated by Congress multiple times, and whether their government stays or not will be directly Congress's fault, she said. In 2018, BSP and Congress were exploring the possibility of contesting assembly elections in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh together, but the deal never went through. Despite this, BSP supported the Congress in all states where it won in forming the government, saying that it was doing so to keep communal forces out of power. However, in the middle of the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the BSP candidate contesting against Jyotiraditya Scindia in Guna joined Congress, followed by all 6 BSP MLAs in Rajasthan moving to Congress in September 2019, leaving a very bitter Mayawati in their wake. Mayawati's attack against Congress has intensified over the past few months, with party insiders pointing out that in most cases, the two parties share the same vote bank. Many party insiders say that even if BJP does something wrong, Mayawati will either hold Congress guilty for it or just lightly admonish BJP. On China as well as COVID pandemic, Mayawati has backed the government. For the migrant crisis following the lockdown, she blamed the Congress. Criticism of BJP is not absent, but often ends with an advice to its government to take corrective measures. She has been quiet about the law and order situation in UP, and when she tweeted about it, she came with an advice to follow. While it is true that her past experiences have made Mayawati bitter towards the Congress, some political analysts say she wants to keep the BJP in good humor to keep her chances in 2022 elections alive. A Times Online report.